Meaning of iPod.
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 iPod. iPod is a brand of portable media players designed and marketed by Apple Incorporated. The name iPod was proposed by Vinny Keiko, a freelance copywriter, who was called upon by Apple to help name the product. The word pod comes from the term iPodcast, a term used to reference a radio or TV show that is distributed over the internet and played back on an iPod. The I prefix has now become synonymous with Apple's product line, and it stands for Internet, Individual, and Innovation. Today, iPods have largely been replaced by iPhones and other devices with similar functionality.